What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm at my pops. He went grocery shopping and my brother took him and they said I could stay, so I decided to stay and make this video for y'all. What are we talking about here? We're talking about the AMC, specifically Hycroft, third quarter earnings, but you cannot talk about Hycroft earnings unless you're talking about AMC earnings as well. Why? Because we own 22% of the company plus another $26 million in warrants. So it's very important for us when we talk about Hycroft to also keep in mind we're talking about AMC as well. So to kick things off, let's take a look back at the second quarter earnings and where we're coming from, and then we'll look forward to where we're going. All right. On August 4th was the last time we heard any news from Hycroft concerning their earnings reports. That was the second quarter earnings. During the second quarter, Hycroft was added to the Russell 3000, and production from leach pads added over 6,400 gold and over 18,500 ounces in silver. Besides the 6,400 ounces of gold and 18,500 ounces of silver, they have continued to produce gold and silver from the leach pads, and they are continuing to put it up until the price of gold goes up, and they anticipate to sell it around the first quarter. All right. Could be sooner if the price of gold moves correctly. All right. Now let's talk about the exploration and the drilling more specifically. During the third quarter, they continued their exploration and their drilling program, and we expect great results from the third quarter drilling, and here's why. Here's Alex from Hycroft explaining the drilling process and what exactly they're looking for.
And what we're looking at here are, again, these nice sulfide veinlets associated with silica. We got a nice vug or a hole in the rock, all silica lined. And if I flip this around here, you can see some of these shiny brassy pyrites, which are, there's a close association with gold and silver with this stuff. Also of interest here is this white clay that we see along these fractures here, which is also tightly associated with gold and silver.
And here's one more close-up view of that beautiful core that we pulled from the Vortex deposit. We're very excited about our results today. We've got a lot more targets and opportunities to drill out at Hycroft, so we look forward to sharing more news with you as drill results continue to come in.
So if you ask me, using common sense, three things that I find that I'm looking for in the third quarter earnings is the drill program is yielding higher grades of gold and silver than first thought. So we'll get an update on that. We'll get an update on just how much gold and silver they have put up from the leach pads. They are putting up what they find and using it to finance more exploration. They're not having to borrow money. They have a cash bank account full. And the last reason why I own Hycroft and I'm buying more are the big dogs are starting to jump in. They know what's about to happen. So with that, we'll see you this morning when the bell rings and Hycroft begins trading. Let's see how we're doing. Let's get above $1. Love y'all. Be blessed, and see you in the next video.
Cold red, there's been a glitch in the matrix. They out here wildin' and it's too much, I can't take it. Red pill, blue pill, my mind knew they were shaping.